Come with me to show you my beautiful parrot.
Wow, such a beautiful parrot. Can he talk? Okay, I have a question for you. If I come here with a man, what are you saying?
In my opinion, you are a beautiful bitch. Mia just stole him. Baby, give me a chance to train him.
Please? Say it with me. Please.
Please.
All right, one more time. Please.
Please.
Good.
And
Thank you.
yes, you're welcome.
Okay, show off.
Baby, be sure. This time I trained him carefully.
Okay, hello again. I hope you have studied your lessons.
Okay, sure.
If I come here with a man, what are you saying?
I say he is your wife.
If I come here with two strange men, what then?
I say he must be your brother.
If I come here with three strange men, what then?
I say maybe he's your friend.
Now, if I come here with four men, what are you saying?
Get this fucking bitch out of here! I'm just kidding! Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.